Hey guys, welcome to the videos. Subscribe to my videos. This time I got a new Pokemon. Okay, let's see what is the Pokemon of the Pokeball. You can see of the Megapass, Caterpie, Moringa, Squirtle, Bulbasaur, Charmander. This time we got a new Pokemon. Okay, let's start. First we Pokeball this one. See? Pokeball, go! Wow, it is a Pidgey. Look, see, it is a really beautiful. Look, see. We see two more things. Look, see. We see. Look, see. We can really beautiful. Look, see of the eyes, legs, and tails. These are really different and beautiful. And you see, all things is really beautiful. Let's see to next Pokemon. Let's start it of the second Pokeball of the second level. This one of the Pokeball. Okay, Pokeball, go! Shh. Huh? Where are you? Hey. Oh, he can flying. He can Pidgeot off the flying. Look, see, he can wings and look, see of the all body is there's a tail and look, see of the hair, wings and foots. It is a really beautiful. What is a he can so interesting of the Pokemon. He can flying off the legs. He can sit. Okay, let's see you. Thank you watching the video. Subscribe to more videos and bell icon click to more videos. See you next time. Bye bye.